Hey guys, it's Peter Jordan with Delta Auto Marine, and today we're going to be looking at this brand new LT25 we just got in stock. It's a really clean, really simple little boat that allows you, if you're your own DIY kind of a guy or gal, this is the perfect little boat for you. So hang tight and we're going to go through it. Okay, so we're going to go through this pretty quick. As you guys can see, it's looking nasty over that way, so we'll go through this pretty fast. So you have a black powder coated transom mounted poling platform, a 25 horse tiller Tohatsu. Now this tiller model of Tohatsu is an electric start motor and also has electric trim and tilt. So you're not missing out on that. So we've got that. You've got a 6.6 gallon fuel tank. You've got a back bench seat, and right here you've got room to throw some gear like your tackle bags or whatever. We left the inside of the boat nice and clean, wide open. Great if you want to go duck hunting, although you will need to use a blind for this one. But really clean, really simple, a lot of wide open space. It really lets you maximize the amount of room. You can add a trolling motor mount here if you so desire. It's really easy to add your navigation lights. The poling platform, I don't know if you can see this, already has the tab where you can go ahead and mount your anchor light. In the front of the boat, one thing we did do is we went ahead and put your trolling motor battery forward. So you've got that for you right there. You've got a Group 27 Interstate Marine trolling motor, deep cycle battery, excuse me. There's your breaker system right there for that. And what this does, we also had it wired for the trolling motor, because that's, you know, one of the things that does, you know, kind of take the longest. So we went ahead and did that for you. So this is a nice, clean, very simple boat. It makes getting into your first Gheenoe LT25 very affordable. We have a galvanized trailer, no frills to it, really simple, really keeps the cost down. So guys, take a look. If you have any questions, call us at Delta Auto Marine at 251-517-5755. I'm super happy to answer any questions you guys might have about Gheenoe, Tohatsu, or whatever. So give us a call again. Alright guys, so that is our new LT25 just in from Custom Gheenoe. It is wine red, looks super sharp with the black powder coating, and you can own this boat for only $11,325. So it's really inexpensive, great first boat. And if you're really serious and adamant shallow water fisherman, you really need to take a look at this boat. We'll see you on the water.